Article 3, the judicial branch. So say it with me, judicial. Judicial. It means, think of judge and judicial. Here come the judges. Article 3 creates the judicial branch. The judicial branch interprets laws to decide what they mean and whether or not they have been followed in specific cases. Article 3 creates the Supreme Court and authorizes Congress to create federal courts below the Supreme Court. These are the courts that deal with U.S. state laws, not United States laws, not state laws. So federal courts do laws that are the whole country, like national laws, not just the state laws. There's state judges for that. Article 3 also gives directions about what kind of cases the Supreme Court and federal courts can hear. Under Article 3, federal judges are appointed, not elected. They stay on the bench until they retire, die, or are removed for bad behavior. So if you're on the Supreme Court, you usually serve for life. Article 3 also guarantees trial by jury for criminal cases and explains the crime of treason. Treason is betraying your country. All right, I'm going to read this. I'm going to skip to the second sentence here. The judicial branch has the responsibility for interpreting the nation's laws, settling conflicts between states, and protecting the Constitution. The judges and courts are the foundation or base of our legal system. All people, including members of government, have to follow what our courts say. This is part of having our government's power limited by the rule of law. Second paragraph here. The judicial branch is headed by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is made of 9 judges called justices. The court's leader is called the Chief Justice. Each justice is appointed by the president. Then the justice must be approved by the Senate. So, president nominates, Senate must approve. Justices serve for the rest of their lives or until they retire. Congress has the power to create other federal courts under the Supreme Court. Conflicts about national laws go to lower national courts first. The side that loses can appeal first to a higher court and then to a Supreme Court. So even if they lose, they can say, okay, this wasn't fair, I'm going to appeal. To appeal is to ask for a case to be heard again. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the country. Its decisions are final. So you have to go through many other courts and appeals until you can actually get your case heard in front of the Supreme Court. That's why it's called the highest court in the land. Its decisions are final. The Supreme Court can declare a law unconstitutional, which means that the law goes against the Constitution. If a law is declared unconstitutional, it is no longer enforced. The Constitution gives the judicial branch a similar power concerning treaties with other countries. If the courts find that a treaty violates the Constitution, it does not go into effect. Importantly, the judicial branch also has the power to interpret the law. That is, the courts have the power to settle disagreements about what a law means or how it applies to a particular situation. By using these powers, the judicial branch protects the Constitution and the rights of Americans. If the actions of the other branches conflict with the Constitution, the judicial branch makes sure that the Constitution is followed. So the Supreme Court, they focus on cases whether laws are constitutional or unconstitutional. So answer these questions and then work on your exit ticket. Have a great day. You can always text or email me or ask me on Go Garden if you have any questions or need help.